Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, remember to hit the subscription button. If you are already here, remember to hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to be informed. Also, remember to go through my content and give my videos a liking, and also visit me on my other social media, which is my Instagram page at beexcessive_cosmetics. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Servicing my car is long overdue. Alright guys, so girl, I take on big people thing, you know. So I went to Honda Superior to get my parts because of course my car does deserve some loving. When I say loving, you understand the price, yeah. Again, long time I get some good love and affection. The things them in here, so. So my purse, it's not part of the package. Everything in the box, yeah. So we're gonna get business. All those who don't know what a router look like, guys, I'm going to take you on the journey with me tomorrow. Well, I got attached the video, but I bought them a day in advance. So I'm gonna take you on the journey to fully servicing a Honda car, or basically car, because I'm guessing that it's the same thing, just probably different brand we probably use for the different cars. So this is what you call a filter, a oil filter. Yeah, what is it? The plum. But this is our oil filter, guys. I just showed you the router. These are the disc pads and the little thing that they go in. Socket. Mind them rust up on the car, can I tell you? I hope these are original because that's what I ordered. Yeah, because when you do the thing, you just do it good and done. So I always say, who know me knows so that's the mantra I live by. If you ever do it, just do it good and done. Yeah, so those are these pads that go on the router. Yeah, and create a little something so the car can't stop. These are what you call spark plugs. I'm not sure if I'll be installing these tomorrow because not long ago I changed my spark plugs, and these are not something you change with every servicing of your vehicle. I haven't full service my car in a little bit, so that's why I need to do a full situation, because you know the thing are behave shabby and all. This is what you call motor oil, engine oil. It's with the The-Jamerican. Why this thing looks like that behave so shabby? These aren't changed often, and I realize for my car I really don't change these often. This is what you call the air filter. I really don't change this often because I don't know, my car just run things clean. Serious, like every time when the man them take it out, they're like, I want to keep it in your car. Other people want just messy real quick. Mine very long lasting. I don't know, I buy proper things still, so maybe that's a factor. The rest of these are all the engine oils. Oh, never show no one of that. These are the transmission fluid. At how many quarts of this? I think it's 4 quarts of each thing. So it's each of these bottles is a quart. Yeah, each of these bottle is a quart, so it's 4 quarts for each of the stuff. As I said, I don't have brake fluid in here because Mr. Wright put some in my car when we had a little bit of scare off when we went out to St. Elizabeth to get the new rims for the car. So, and that's not long ago. And those things aren't changed often, just like your, I don't know, some mechanics out there will trick you and tell you to change certain stuff that really don't need to change all the time, simply because they want to make a money, because most of them start stocking stuff. and they bleed your stuff that really don't need changing. The most you'll change quite often, not even the and I just put some, what you call that again, the colorful fluid, the thing you throw in the radiator. I just put that in, so that definitely doesn't need changing right now either, because I do the regular upkeep. It's just that these main stuff, because they were being changed before I did the minor stuff, so I didn't need to do this until now, from last year, probably October. And you guys know I don't really do driving with my car. It's more of a corporate driving. The farthest I've gone with this car, and it was because we went to get the rims for the car, is St. Elizabeth, and that's pretty far if you ask me. And that was a one-time thing. I also drove myself to Portland. That's another farthest I've been. Otherwise, Burton's cars are the transport that we use, so I really don't need to do a lot of upkeep, right? Because the wear and tear goes with your mileage and stuff like that. All right, so you can go by this to see how much you would spend on genuine situations. So this, as I said, is the superior stuff. So I got the oil filter, and the oil filter was $700. The air filter was basically $16.50. The engine oils were, what's this, 3,000, call it 3,300. And this is what the transmission, the transmission oil was 6,000, and these are for the quarts, the 4 quarts. So, and if you note, I'm getting some discounts, because originally everything came to like $45, but I've been a customer here, so I got some discounts taking me down to $42. So it's $3,000 that I'm grateful for. These routers, those were the most expensive. So those were $9,000. Okay, the pads were $6,006, and the sparks plug, can you see those? Those are quite expensive. Okay, them expensive more than the damn router. Talk about it. And it's these little bulb looking things. Well, I wouldn't say bulb, but you know when you used to see people play with them, like when I'm a kid, I used to see them on the road cost. But if you know anything about a sparks plug, you know that the NGK is the top spark plug. As I tell you, I don't use foolishness in my car, one that would burn out real quick and I would need to replace it like real quick. No, I get the good thing, so that you know, see me at these places doing this thing over and over again. Okay, so catch you in the actual servicing of the car. Okay, hey guys, as promised, we are doing the servicing of the Honda Fit 2012. It's Friday, like I said. Yeah, mad thing. Ooh. So first, I think all the thing them shine. Eh? Look, all the thing them wine. And them think they want change, bro. Bruh. So now we're changing the rollers. Style and pattern. So you leak. It was mine. You leaked the oil. A week ago. Yeah, because March not done yet. Oh God. Guys, I know you're enjoying the video, but I'm just pausing here to remind you of my cleaning services that are reasonable and affordable and professional. Also remember that I rent fog machines and stage lights, as well as a bubble machine for a very inexpensive rate, starting at $2,500 and some for $3,000. I also want to introduce you to my lashes, my She by Shanique lashes. You can follow me on Instagram at beexcessive_cosmetics for more details as it relates to the lashes and the lash brushes that I have. These are professional and they are mixed lashes, so it's only $800. Alright, so rotors are off. I'm gonna replace them with new rotors. Pretty and shine. Although I can't tell how you know when they're finished.
See lip here. You can feel the lip.
Oh. Ah. So you're not supposed to be able to feel this thing right there.
Alright, size.
The hello is under superior, the man say. You go up on the system. Oh, so one lip are going to go on this, huh?
No, this lip is supposed to be.
Oh. Right, man.
Nope. Bigger.
Oh, so that.
Bigger, man.
So what is? Oh, I'm putting the air filter thing.
Do it. Huh?
Yeah. The oil filter is going at the bottom of the car. Bro, so them too big. So we've got change the router again, but the new this part them go for it now. Hopefully that make a difference. It now go, it still go slip down. It now go make the difference.
Huh?
It now go make the difference. The new, yeah.
The one you know. Sell. Yeah, take too long.
Nigga drop in the engine, I don't know.
Yeah, Monday. Nothing but the best under.
The synthetic blend.
We're not saying a part of fitness.
Yeah? How am I reaching at that?
She's not own a nation.
Yeah, the B nation. The B nation this.
Taxi man cut him shots. See when he go over, I call Chris. Can someone say roller coaster?
This name transmission. No, but hold it down prior. Hold it down prior. Hold it down. Hold it down. This is the one. What is? Yes.
No, we not video, so
what that thing? No, man. Your head down. Hold it down, man.
No, put it down.
What's the thing? What's the thing? Style and pattern.
We're smart, not hard.
Did me I say? Guys, if you were paying attention, you would know that today I got some gift. Well, I got a gift on my desk, and let's open it. So me are waiting at Burger King line. So alright, so let's get into it. So I couldn't get to finish it in the Burger King line because it was just crazy in there. Things just started got speedy. So oh my god, this one hand thing. I don't know how I'd function if I only had one hand. Man. Ugh. Promise you love it. So I got, that's a pen, this is a notebook, this is a power bank. Yeah, I love it too. And there is this big ass bottle. There is a fanny pack, key ring and opener. Alright, so once again, let's go through them. This is the sparks plug. These are the brake pads. These are, yeah, the brake pads. The disc pads, yeah. These are the holders. And we have the oil filter. And we have the air filter. And we have the engine oil, motor oil, whichever you want to call it. Transmission oil, and lastly the routers.